wonderful people, you're welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how I made this purse with 4 basic materials. I used thread, a needle, a pair of scissors and double-faced PU leather. I used a sheet of A4 paper for my pattern. I folded in an envelope shape and I curved the flap. I marked out the pattern on the leather and I cut out. You can decide to use a puncher to make holes on the leather before stitching. This will make it easier for the needle to go through. When you're through with the stitching, loop the thread and knot before cutting the thread. Use a thread burner to heat up the frayed end of the thread. For the other side of the purse, I stitched at the opposite direction of the previous stitching.